Hello, here we're changing front brake pads on Volkswagen Tiguan 2016 2-liter TDI. We start by removing the two bolts that hold the brake caliper. After we remove the bolts, remove the brake caliper and press the brake cylinder in with the brake caliper compression tool. Next we remove the brake pads and the brake pad wear sensor as well. Before we put on the new brake pads, we scrape the edges on the brake pads first, because the brake disc has edges as well, so we don't want the two edges to touch each other. After we put on the brake pads, we put on the brake caliper back in its place and put the two bolts on and tighten them, and that's it. Afterwards, don't forget to press the brake pedal a few times so that the brake cylinder returns to normal position, and that's it. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.